Když jsme na to vymýšleli, jaký vánoční přání připravit, napadaly nás různé možnosti. Třeba tohle.
Mládí jsem se učil hrobařem jezdit s hlínou.
Nebo tohleto. Tohleto. To taky nebylo špatný.
Pod nohama čmachtá bláto, místo aby brzal sníh, ale hlavně, že jsme všichni.
Tohle, to bylo nejhorší.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog, you're crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time.
Nakonec jsme teda vymysleli tohle.
I feel it in my fingers, I feel it in my toes. Christmas is all around me, and so the feeling grows. It's written in the wind, it's everywhere I go. So if you really love Christmas, come on and let it snow. Christmas, I always will. My mind's made up the way that I feel. There's no beginning, there'll be no end. 'Cause on Christmas, you can depend. You gave your presents to me, and I gave mine.
Takže šťastný a veselý.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.